Good morning, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for our Tiger Minute Update. This is Wednesday, August the 15th. We've had two outstanding days here at the high school. Everybody getting into the flow of things. We almost completed our schedule changes yesterday, and almost have all of our students' schedules where they need to be and in really good shape for the school year. So, I'd like to congratulate our Lady Tiger volleyball team last night for defeating McLean County High School here at Tiger Arena in a great game. I'd like to wish our soccer team good luck tonight as they open up their season here at Tiger Field. Game time's at 5:30 against Fort Knox. That'll be here at Tiger Field. We have dance practice this afternoon and football practice this afternoon. We also have volleyball practice this afternoon. So I'd like to wish all those good luck. Again, our volleyball team will be in action again tomorrow at Bullitt East. Our soccer team will be off tomorrow. Our golf team will be in action at Meade County High School. And I'd like to just kind of remind everybody that our football team will open up their season at hosting Todd County Central here at Tiger Field. That'll be on Friday night at 7 o'clock. We will have a dance immediately following that game. I encourage all students to attend the dance and have a great start to the school year. A little kickoff bash there at our Commons. That will start immediately after the game and will conclude around at 11 o'clock that night. Admission is free. We encourage all students to come out and have a great time. We will be going through some of our safety drills today and tomorrow and a remainder of next week, just to always put safety at the top of our list, making sure that we're always up to speed on all of our safety procedures. And that concludes our announcements for today. Hope that everybody has a wonderful Wednesday. Everybody work really hard. Have a great day, and be a champion.